Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to record macro. So what we're going to do is to copy the template. To copy the template, we need to activate the developer tab. So to activate developer tab, we right click on the tab key and then choose customize ribbon. And right here, click on it, click OK. Next, I'm going to choose the developer tab and click Visual Basic. Then split into half. So we're gonna have that. Okay, so next one is I'm gonna have click on the record macro buttons, and then you can give it a name called copy sheets. So when you name a macro name, it shouldn't have space, no space, but you can use underscore. Then click OK. Now your module will have a module 1. As we click here, you can see that it is now recorded, but if it's not needed, you can always delete it. And now right click on the template, choose copy. Now see, when I right click on the template, it has additional instructions. The macro is recording that instructions given. And now I right click and choose copy. And I'll copy to move it to the end, create a copy. And the code to copy a worksheet is recorded. It's not copy after and so on, right? So after that, sheet number 2, this is sheet number 1, this is number 2, and this is sheet number 3. So when we record it, it's recorded after we copy the template and insert it after the second worksheet, right? You can also change it to 1, right? And that's complete our recording macro. We can click on this button to stop it. And next is you can always go to the other page here and then insert a button. This is click here, choose this, click OK, and watch this. I click on the button. It's insert the templates. Right after the second worksheet. I go back to data tab. I click the buttons. Now watch that. And that is how you record a macro and copy a worksheet. Thanks for watching.